I took one simple 3D model and turned it into dozens of realistic images and cinematic animations. And I want to show you exactly how I did it. What's up guys, Nuno here. Today I'm walking you through a full project inside GendoAI, an AI rendering tool built for architects and designers. And it's basically a shared canvas where you upload your sketches or 3D screenshots and turn them into photorealistic renders. Let's get into it. So this is my project in 3ds Max. It's quite simple, as you can see. There's a plane here, a plant here, and this is the terrace area. And here inside is the kitchen area. I just took screenshots from many different angles. And now I'm going to use those screenshots inside GendoAI to generate my images. This is the main interface in GendoAI, where all your projects are saved. By the way, I have done a previous video with a full step-by-step on the generation process. Link is in the description. Here's how you get started. Click Create New Project and give it a name. I called mine Mediterranean. Upload your screenshots to the canvas, and here you can drag and drop to organize your images in order. Now, to create a realistic image, you have two options. You can use the GendoAI assistant, or you can go to Render Design, which is what I will do here. In Render Design, you can describe your scene, add reference images, and even click a button to get prompt suggestions. I use tags like interior photography, rural, 4K, daytime, hyper detail photography, countryside, and architect's photography. Then I clicked Enhance Prompt to see what the AI would build for me. The result was something like this. A rustic rural interior, sunlit room in a countryside house with natural light and timber beams. Everything looked good, but I didn't have wood beams in my project, so I removed that part and clicked Generate. And even if you lose track of a generation because you move to another task, don't worry. There's a small icon that says Done, and you just click it to jump straight to your images. The first two images I got were very different from each other, and honestly, it was hard to pick a favorite. One had more contrast, the other had a different feel. That's normal, so don't expect to nail it on the first try. If you want a specific style, GendoAI also has style transfer. For example, I tried turning one image into a clay physical model style, and it looked great. You can also edit a whole image at once. I typed, turn this into an evening scene, blue hour, warm lighting interior, and got a new night version of the same room. This is perfect if you want to create a time-lapse later. And here's something you'll want if you are creating multiple angles of the same project: consistency. So to do this, click on your finished image, click on the icon on the left and select Start a new shot. Select the option to select images on canvas and select the ones you want. Then write a prompt like, use image 1 as reference for the materials and lighting, and create a new photorealistic image for image 2 using the same materials and lighting as image 1. Click Send and confirm when the assistant asks if you are ready to generate. The result stays close to your original image, same materials, same lighting, just a different angle. You repeat this process for every image in your project. Once you have a full board of consistent images, there's a feature I really like, the Material Catalog, made in partnership with Material Bank. This means you can browse real materials and even order a free sample if you are a professional. You just click a material and you will see the option to order it. There are two ways to apply a material to your design. Click Swap Material and select your reference. To be honest, I haven't gotten great results with this method. The other is to start a new chat. Select your image, select the material, and describe what you want changed. For example, replace the floor with a provided rustic wood material reference. The second method works much better. GendoAI will ask you to select the area, in this case the floor, and it generates a new version with the material applied. It's even smart enough to separate the floor from the exterior area. Now, I didn't have an exterior design for this house yet, so I used text-to-image generation. I wrote a prompt describing what I want and clicked Generate. By the way, I will be sharing the project link for you guys to access and explore how I've done things. Just check the link in the description below. So I got a few options, and even though one was quite different from my original plan, I actually like it enough to consider changing my whole facade design. I also tried a different approach. Select two existing images as reference and add your prompt and set the aspect ratio. I used 16:9 and click to generate. This gave me a design with more detail, but I still preferred my first version. So now I will click the image, and here you have a button to enhance the image. You can control how much creativity is applied, from subtle to full, but for this I kept it in the middle. Once I had the version I liked, I upscaled it to 2 times. You can go up to 4 times if you want an even higher resolution. You can also add people to any design, and it's easier than you think. For adding a group of people, click Populate, choose the density. I used low since this isn't a party scene. Select age group, ethnicity, and clothing style. Click Generate. For adding one specific person in a specific pose, there's the cutout feature. Choose an animation or pose, like sitting, standing, or jogging. Rotate the model if needed. Select age group and ethnicity and click Generate. Once you have your person, you can use them in your project if you want to. For now, I'll keep it here on my canvas. And this is one of my favorite new features. You select any image, click Video, and choose a preset. Walk forward, still, time-lapse, orbit, pan left, custom transition using a start and end frame. You can generate clips of 5 to 10 seconds at 1080p. By the way, you do have a certain amount of seconds to use with the plan you purchase. If you need more minutes, you can buy separate packs for that. To create the first video, just click Generate. As you can see, even small details like the physics of wine in a glass looks realistic. The camera movement feels like someone is actually holding it. Then I tried the custom transition between a daytime image and my evening version. The result was a time-lapse style video with the sun moving across the scene. And here's a tip. If you love one frame from your video more than the final image, you can click Save Frame to Canvas and use that exact frame in your project. You can also try cinematic edits, where GendoAI creates a full 4-shot sequence automatically based on one image. I tested this on both an exterior and interior shot, and the results were creative, especially the way it shows different camera angles. Let's have a look at both of them. And here's the final animation again, from just basic 3ds Max Viewport screenshots. GendoAI has a free plan to get started, but if you need more, you can get the studio plan for $83 a month if billed yearly. It features unlimited projects, unlimited image generations, 15 free video seconds included, parallel rendering, so multiple generations at once, and upscaling included. You also have the option to buy extra video seconds if needed. There are also educational plans available if you are a student or teacher. So that's my full walkthrough from a basic 3D model to realistic images, real materials, a new exterior design, people, and video. If you want to try GendoAI, the link is in the description below. If this was helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.